So I had a little dilemma. Put this torque converter in, man, motherfucking wasn't shifting right, man. So I'm trying to figure out what it is. I'm like, man, let me turn this transmission plug around. Turned the transmission plug around, took this motherfucker out, and man, we like hell yeah. Woo! We in there now. Oh my God. That motherfucking converter turned this motherfucker up. Like, turned it up like 10 times. Woo-wee! Woo! We in there, Sebastian.